Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. In my today's video, I will tell you about the hotspot problem in your device Vivo Z1 Pro. So if in this device, if you're having any problem related to the hotspot, like your hotspot is not working or not connecting, you can easily fix it just by following the few steps as I will show you. So before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the hotspot problem in your device. Let's watch the video.